Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a talk about Firefox. If you are a Firefox user, you have a small update. It's probably already done maybe for you. So if we go to Firefox, which was at version 128, and go to the hamburger menu on the upper right corner and help and feedback about Firefox, sorry. You go to 128.0.3 as of today, August 1st. And what does it do? There's no security fixes, first of all, so that's the good news. Nothing security in here. It's really just 3 bug fixes for Firefox. The first one has to do with some web pages on HTTP2 that just don't load correctly. So you might notice that some pages don't display well or just don't display at all. That's one. The second update is for the collapsible menus that sometimes just don't display correctly. And finally, the third fix is for the on-screen keyboard. If you use the Windows on-screen keyboard, what happens is that the keyboard often will display and stay over some of the content on the web page. And so, of course, if you start typing or doing something, you might notice that, well, you don't know what you're doing because it's hidden behind the keyboard. So that also has a fix for that, so that it displays correctly and stays the way that it should be. And of course, you can move it around and all of that. So 3 simple bug fixes. Once again, nothing security. It probably is maybe already updated on your browser. If not, 128.0.3 is where we are right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.